Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to convert Word file into PDF file in batch using Python, so let's get started. So this is a Python script I've written, and here we need to call the OS package and the client object from the win32com package. You can run the pip install win32com command in the command prompt, or for me it is the Anaconda prompt to install the package. Here you need to know there are usually two types of Word file, one is doc file and the other is docs file. I won't explain the code line by line. In this video, I will focus on the logic of the code. First, we need to function the parameter is the path of doc file or docs file. The theory of this function is actually the client object calls the VBA program in Microsoft Office and then finish the convert process indirectly. You can see doc equals to Word documents.open. This line of code isn't really Pythonic, it is VBA style. We also need to create a function to traverse all the folders and subfolders to get the path of all the doc or docs files and put them in a list. At last, we need to let the user enter the working directory of the script, and also need to customize a path to save all the generated PDF file. If not, the PDF files will be automatically saved in the folder called New PDF, which is in the desktop. Okay, let us do that again. We open the folder, and we open the Anaconda prompt. We run the Python script. We set the working directory and the saving directory. Okay, job done. Alright, this is the end of this video. If you think this video helps, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.